Hello! Meet Scary Lou. It's super racing monster truck. He is fearless. Brum, let's go! Great jump! Hungry? Eat all the traps.
I have no fear.
Oops, didn't work out. Try to accelerate. Yes. Come on, get out of there. It was not bad, but you can better. Show us what you can.
Turbo speed. The smell of burning wheels.
Whoa! Great timing! Scary Lou, you rock!
Careful.
That hurts.
You rule.
Another racing track. 1, 2, 3, go! Woohoo! Get up, Scary Lou! Now!
Woohoo!
Hey, Scary you, not that fast!
Slow down.
Fire circle, wow, that was cool! Awesome!
I can do this.
Great jump! Fantastic! And Scary Lou is winning the race!
Monstrosity.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and
Open the
subscribe.
chest. Let's
See you!